Xin chào, tên tôi là Kit, bạn khỏe không? And that is exactly how you introduce yourself to someone in Vietnamese with an added how are you. Now, I have never been to Vietnam. I have no Vietnamese family, but I interact with Vietnamese people every day at work and out on the local economy where I live here in Germany, as well as when I am visiting friends and loved ones back in the United States. And that's why I took the time to learn the language. Out of respect, it's also why I take the time to learn the languages of others with whom I interact and for whom English is a second language. Being able to speak the basics of the linguas vicinorum, or languages of our neighbors, is the behavior of a gentleman. Through good food, good wine, and an appreciation for the arts, education, and an expansive worldview, this is the behavior of a gentleman bon vivant. Because there's an enormous, diverse world out there. Be part of it, be worthy, be a gentleman bon vivant. También, que tengas un lindo día, einen schönen Tag noch, bonne journée, masalamati, and annyeong-haseyo. Cheers.